A cappella. Yeah, a cappella without music.
So this is my first time on the stage, sir.
Yeah,
I don't know about that.
Yeah, you can rap without music. Here. Give us freestyle.
I wish I could play my song, but I don't have it with me.
But you can sing it. Sing it, freestyle. Pula! Freestyle.
I'm very nervous, but I think now it's too late already. Huh?
No.
So my favorite song is called Life.
Life.
And it's a song that is meant to inspire people. Let people feel alive. This song is
like mugomba kumenya ko ubuzima everything buri kintu cyose kirahinduka kandi kirashoboka buri kintu cyose kirashoboka sibyo next go on yes you're nervous don't be nervous please come on man be a rest man.
This is a song with Real Benja. Maybe you guys know him from TV. Okay. Outside on another day, I am so free, no matter what the phone say. I do what I want to do, and I don't care about you. Yeah. Like a bird in the air, like a bird in the air, like a bird in the air. I feel alive, 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 alive. I feel alive.
How was she?
Alive. You feel alive. Feel alive. Yeah. I think I will just give you a shortcut because, as I said,
that's nice.
The songs are unreleased.
Yeah.
My Instagram name is Ras Mario. If you want to know, you can know.
Niushaka kumenya uzamenya.
Murakoze cyane.
Thank you so much.
I love Rwanda.
Thank you so much and keep loving it. And we're happy to see you.
What the hell is going on? First of all, can you rock the festival? Can you rock all star? The cool monster. Because I'm not here for food. You guys see very faithful. Everybody in trouble. Everybody gonna be playful. Come in here to the best. Can be out, but I'm gonna change you. Break that out of my mind. Because it's just a video. The kakanya was full of coke. I keep it just speed. When you have to chew it, you gotta go up in the fuki. Which is a baby in this case. You come up with a yuki. You could have better my flow. You dust me, when we sang in the school, you gonna dance I do. I need to wait the money, I went to read my yamari do. You must have put in a way to you, picking a truly. But I was a over here, very to so. Medical truly, you get your course, you can see the truly. Medical truly, you name your toe, you gonna kill your cousin, 724. Truly. Let's get it! Now I'm going to say cool. Now I'm going to say cool. Onyasama huku, ibadili huku, baba yumu hondo jeje babo motoku. Na peace na flow, peace ya mapiti ya uwo yemi na flow, peace na flow. Na wakumise cool.